So here I got a beautiful way to expand your battery life, buying pretty much aftermarket batteries. And yes, they are from Japan, and yes, they're pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Well, actually, don't really know if they're really good or not, but I don't really know what brand they are. I will have the link down below where I bought them from Amazon. But it's 2 batteries and a charger, a car charger plug, and then it connects to the wall. So it comes with 2 batteries. And these are for the, let me see if it gets it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ooh. There you go. It's for the NP-FW50 Sony batteries, and that's exactly what I have on my Sony A7, and I'll show you the differences in a few moments. As soon as I take this battery out, pop it open, close it. All right, so for some reason my camera had a Wasabi battery in it, and these are the differences. This is how weak it was. Pretty much the same batteries, NP-FW50, NP-FW50 replacement. It has 1300 milliamps, and this one has 1950 milliamps. So that's quite a bit. I think that's like a third extra on the battery life, and it's well needed because I love taking photos. I love taking pictures. I mean, I love taking videos, and that'll be very helpful for me, especially in my upcoming sessions that I have. So I'll show you the rest of it. They look identical. Identical. Alright, so let me open this other battery. More Japanese shit. I don't know what the fuck it says. And we got another one identical. I don't know what brand it is, but it's pretty good. There we go. Like I said, I'll put it in the description down below. And then here's the actual charger. I gotta buy a camera bag. I got a bunch of equipment. See? Plop the battery in there. Let's see. Clicks. And then you either plug it to a wall outlet, or here comes the cool part. It has a car charger, which you plug in to that. Bow, and now you're good to go, on the go. So thank you guys. I'll put the link in the description of this item down below. Bought it for Amazon, pretty good price. Great battery life for this, because the other battery that was in there was ass. And yeah, let the shoots go on. Peace.